Good evening, friends. A warm welcome to all the guests present over here. Friends, we believe that if we want to create something of value, we need to have a strong foundation. And at Sapphire, we have created this foundation in terms of the infrastructure, the state-of-art infrastructure, the excellent facilities, and the enthusiastic team that we are having as the support. So friends, I'll be giving you an overview of the infrastructure and facilities in my presentation. So Sapphire Hospital is a 142-bedded tertiary care multi-speciality hospital located in Kalwa. It is strategically situated on the old Mumbai-Pune road in close proximity to Thane. Also easily approachable from Kalwa Junction, hardly 10 minutes, and easily accessible to patients right from the Kalwa, of course, Kalwa area is there, but Airoli, Diva, then from this side Dombivli, Kalyan, Bhiwandi. So we are planning to cater to the population in these areas and the neighbouring areas. Coming to the hospital per se, we have 3 floors and also a ground floor and a basement. I will begin with the casualty department. The casualty department is located on the ground floor. It has 4 beds and is well equipped to handle any type of emergency. A unique feature here is that we have an in-house OT in the casualty itself, so that certain emergency procedures can be undertaken in the casualty. Coming to the radiology center, we have the Magnetom Essenza, the 1.5 Tesla MRI with Tim and Dot system. It is user-friendly, clinically versatile, and has an efficient approach to consistent image quality. Head-to-toe imaging can be done here without patient repositioning. We have the latest generation in CT scans, the new Somatome from Siemens, which can scan the whole body in seconds and can provide incredibly sharp 3D images of any organ. It can cover entire range of neuro and cardiac applications. The sonography department has a Siemens Accuzone X300 Premium Edition system, which is a compact, portable imaging solution that delivers exceptional clinical performance. In the sonography, we also have the Philips HD15, which is a pure wave ultrasound. And we also have the Esote MyLab portable ultrasound that can also be performed at the bedside or in the OT. We have the 2D Echo, the Accuzone X300 Premium Edition ultrasound system with TE Pro to provide complete cardiology care platform that gives superior imaging performance. We have the Siemens digital mammography unit, the Mammomat. The X-ray Heliophos with KLH motorized table with digital radiography and fluoroscopic output. Also the 2 mobile digital X-ray multi-mobile systems which give brilliant image quality. We have the compact LCM, the all-rounder for surgical imaging in orthopedics, trauma, neurology, vascular and ambulatory care. We have the full body bone densitometer, Prodigy from GE. The Modularis lithotripter from Siemens, which is truly flexible urology platform. It gives excellent stone disintegration results. A top of the order spirometer, the EZ1 Pro with DLCO to conduct comprehensive lung functions. And of course the very important CSSD unit. We have a dedicated CSSD unit as per the NABS standards with double door steam sterilizers and a 4-tier system for separate washing area, cleaning area, packaging and sterilizing so as to meet the international quality standards. Coming to the first floor, we have our OPD complex located on the first floor, the economy wards which house 45 beds, the deluxe rooms and suites, and the daycare unit. In addition, we have the dialysis unit here, which houses the Fresenius hemodialysis machines, which are modular systems suitable for adult and pediatric use. We have 8 such dialysis units. In the endoscopy unit, we have the video bronchoscopes from Olympus, the gastrointestinal scope, colonoscopes and duodenoscopes. And we also have the other diagnostic instruments like the ECG, MAC 2000, 12-lead 12-channel ECG, the EEG, EMG and sleep lab, all from Elangers. We have the MAC 5500 stress test system, which is a 12-15 lead high-end ECG system for resting ECGs and stress tests. Again, can be used in adults and pediatrics. Coming to the second floor, we have a cardiac cath lab here, the OT complex, the ICU complex, and the deluxe rooms and suites again. The cardiac cath lab is a Siemens RT's Z floor mounted with 20-inch flat detector, suitable for both interventional cardiology and radiology, and it has a 24-size detector for peripheral work as well. We have 5 modular OTs from MDD. 2 of these OTs are designed as donor recipient so as to perform organ transplants. And we also have the cardiac OT, the general OTs, the ortho-neuro OT and the optal OT. In the ICU complex, we have the cardiac ICU housing 13 beds, the medical ICU housing 9 beds along with 3 isolation beds, the post-surgery recovery with 5 beds. All the critical care units have top-of-the-order ventilators, the servo ventilators from ACE, central monitoring systems so as to provide complete intensive patient care. We have the NICU setup, which has a well-equipped servo-I neonatal ventilator, incubators, warmers, phototherapy units. Coming to the third floor, we have the conference and training room here, 24/7 cafeteria and kitchen services. The administrative office is housed here. We have the health checkup department here. Restrooms for patient relatives are present over here. So the dormitory facilities is also present over here. And of course the pathology lab. So friends, that was a brief overview of the infrastructure and facilities at Sapphire. I would now like to invite Dr. Shobha Shetty to brief you on the pathology unit.